India and the Philippines have officially elevated their bilateral ties to a strategic partnership, marking a significant shift toward closer cooperation in defense, maritime security, trade, and technology. This move comes in response to growing regional security concerns, particularly China's increasing assertiveness in the South China Sea. A major aspect of the partnership is the defense cooperation, exemplified by the Philippines' acquisition of India's advanced BrahMos supersonic cruise missile system. With plans for a second batch of missiles, this collaboration enhances the Philippines' coastal defense and strengthens regional security. The two countries have also formalized joint naval exercises in the South China Sea, reflecting their shared commitment to freedom of navigation and maritime security in contested waters. To further bolster their defense collaboration, both nations have outlined a comprehensive plan of action for the years 2025 to 2029, focusing on enhanced military interoperability, joint exercises, and coordinated naval and coast guard operations. Additionally, the two countries are expanding their legal cooperation, with agreements on mutual legal assistance and prisoner transfer treaties, which aim to improve security coordination and reduce barriers for cross-border operations. On the economic front, trade between India and the Philippines reached $3.5 billion in 2023, driven by Indian exports in pharmaceuticals, engineering goods, and automotive components. Both nations are now negotiating a preferential trade agreement (PTA) to streamline trade and foster deeper economic integration. India has also pledged support to the Philippines in developing digital infrastructure, particularly through a sovereign data cloud initiative, which aims to strengthen cybersecurity and enhance digital resilience. The upgraded strategic partnership positions both countries as central players in shaping the future of the Indo-Pacific, reinforcing their shared commitment to regional security, economic growth, and a rules-based international order.